Good evening, students. This is Manas, your friend and tutor. And problem number 10th happens to be a combination of 3 different cases. We are going to work them out one by one, don't worry. Let me read it for you. If alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the equation, x cube plus mx plus n is equal to 0, form the equation whose roots are. Well, you can just run your eyes through all of these 3 cases one by one. Let me start with case number 1. Here we go. This is what we've been given. This is our given equation and the roots are alpha, beta and gamma. We need to find that equation whose roots are. Okay, so how to approach? Again, the approach is going to be same, just like the previous cases, the previous problems. And if you are straight away watching this video, problem number 10 from exercise number 2, I would strongly suggest all of you to watch the previous videos from the playlist. The link for that playlist is in the description. किसी को अगर हिंदी में देखना है तो there is a channel, separate channel for all my Hindi videos @BTech Plus. जाओ, मिल जाएगा, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी है. इनफैक्ट यही सारे वीडियोस हिंदी में मिल जाएंगे. Let us start by saying simply that's just a sec. Y is equal to alpha plus beta minus gamma. Can I do that? Yes, sir. Add gamma and subtract gamma over here. Add and subtract. Wonderful. Sir, sum of the roots, that is SOR. This is how I have written all of these things. Again, if you observe carefully, in this equation x cube plus, there is no x square term. So instead of that, I can simply write 0 into x square plus mx plus n is equal to 0. Again, my usual style is start with the second term, negative, positive, negative again. What do you need? Sir, we need the sum of the roots, and sum of the roots is going to be equal to negative of positive 0 divided by the coefficient of x cube. That is going to be 0. So 0 minus 2 gamma, and basically y is equal to minus 2 gamma. Instead of writing gamma, you can also write it as x. Okay, so x is going to be equal to negative y by 2, and this is the transformation that we are going to apply in the next slide. Let me make some space. Minus y by 2, plug it in. Just do it, expand. Okay, let's say, you can take the LCM also. Let me do that for you. Okay, you have the answer. Multiply both sides by minus 1, y cube plus 4my minus 8n. That is your final answer. Case number 1 solved. Let us go to case number 2 now. Again, this is what we've been given. What we are required to find is this equation, which has got these pair of roots. How to approach? Same approach. Y is equal to beta gamma over alpha. Okay, sir. And then we are going to multiply and divide both by alpha. Let me do that. When you do that, this is what you call the product of the roots. So product of the roots is going to be equal to, this is going to be negative sign, negative of positive n divided by the coefficient of x cube, that is 1. Let me write 1 over here. So this is minus n, product of the roots by alpha square, minus n over alpha square. Y is equal to minus n over x square. X is equal to under root of minus n over y, and this is the transformation which is required in the next slide. What we'll do is, watch, x square into x. This is x, by the way. So x cube can essentially be written as x square into x. X square is nothing but negative over y, minus n by y. Okay, you can understand this very easily. What you can do now is you can take this under root term as common. What remains is this m minus n over y. Done? Okay, sir. Square both the sides. When you do that, you have to expand this, by the way. This will become minus n over y. This is n square. M square plus n square y square minus 2 mn over y. Okay, you can also take the LCM. It is your choice. This is what we will get. And now this is going to become y cube. These two are going to multiply each other, and y cube can be shifted to the RHS. Let us do that, and let us finish. One more thing that you can do simultaneously. You can take this negative 1 inside. So all of these terms, the positive ones are going to become negative and vice versa. Here we go. Done. So yeah, we pretty much solved it. Ny cube minus m square, no, y minus, you can bring or shift all of these terms to the RHS. Their signs are going to change. You can see this. Negative m square y square becomes positive. Okay, this is pretty basic. I believe you all of you know these things. Let us now jump to the third case. This is the third case where we are required to find that equation whose roots are. Okay. Now start by writing y is equal to beta plus gamma over alpha square. Again, the hint is very simple. Add alpha and subtract alpha from the numerator. Right? Sir, this is nothing but sum of the roots. And you know very well from the first part that we had solved, sum of the roots is equal to 0, sir. Done. So this will be minus 1 over alpha. We can also write it as minus 1 over x. X is going to be equal to minus 1 over y. And it is this transformation which is required in the next slide. Just do it. Make some space. Instead of, in place of this x, you can simply put minus 1 over y. Let us do this. 1 minus 1 over y cube minus m over y plus n is equal to 0. Take the LCM, your choice, or multiply by y cube both the sides. Just do it. Minus 1 minus y square plus ny cube is equal to 0. Okay. So get into this habit of writing the higher orders first and then the lower orders. So ny cube minus my square minus 1 is equal to 0. That is your final answer. I hope this video has proved to be very helpful as far as problem solving based on solution of equations is concerned. If you find this content helpful, do like and share the video with all your friends and classmates so that they can also benefit. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you stay notified with all of my future videos. This is Manas Patnaik signing off. Take care. Have a nice day.